Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use tempeh to make a vegan chili non carne. If you love hot and spicy dishes, this is a great way to eat tempeh as it absorbs all the vibrant and smoky flavors you're cooking with. To begin with, prepare the ingredients for the chili. Chop a medium-sized onion and 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Also, deseed and cut the red pepper into small pieces. Cut the tempeh block into about 1 cm slices, then each slice into strips, and each strip into small cubes. In a glass measuring jug, dissolve the vegetable stock cube into 400 milliliters of boiling water. Now, heat 2 or 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a medium non-stick saucepan, and when hot, add the onion, garlic and peppers. Fry over a medium-low heat for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then, add 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of chipotle flakes, and the tempeh cubes. If you can't get hold of chipotle flakes, you can replace it with chili flakes, hot chili powder, or cayenne pepper. Just make sure you start with a small amount and gradually adjust according to your preferred level of spiciness. Stir everything well and over a low heat cook for about 5 minutes. After this time, add the chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, and about 250 milliliters of vegetable stock. Stir everything well, bring the pan to a boil and let it simmer covered for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, chop some parsley leaves. Then add the red kidney beans, already drained and rinsed, and if necessary, pour a little more stock or water. Taste, adjust any seasoning, if necessary, and let it simmer for a further 10 minutes. Finally, add the parsley in the last 2 minutes of cooking. Your chili is now ready to eat. It's great served with rice, avocado salad, or tortilla chips. You can find the full recipe below. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.